Faster than legacy mechanical switches. Razer optical switches use light-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 30% shorter actuation distance than other clicky switches at 1.5 mm, with satisfying, clicky feedback. Ultimate personalization gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. Fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30-plus partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality, aluminum construction. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Keycaps-Regular ABS. Ergonomic, magnetic wrist rest. Made of plush leatherette to maximize comfort over extended gaming sessions, with built-in underglow lighting. Fully programmable macro support. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Unrivalled durability. Supports up to 100 million clicks with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, double the lifespan of most competitor keyboards. Top reviews from the United States. Love this keyboard. I will buy this keyboard again and again. Great keyboard for gaming and doing anything on my computer. Easy to change the color or have it do what I want when I want. Love it and would recommend it to other gamer friends and family.